What's up everybody, it's Leo here with the Bellingham Real Estate Company and welcome to 2213 View Ridge Drive here in Bellingham neighborhood. This is one of the best streets in the Alabama Hill neighborhood. We are close to the lake, we're close to town, we're close to every trail, the trail system that is, close to amenities like groceries and shopping and all of the above. This is one of the best neighborhoods that's grown in the last couple years here in Bellingham. And it is a 4-bed, 3-bath, 2,300 square foot house, completely touched to the studs with high-end details and finishes. Let's go check it out. It says welcome. It's because you're welcome. Come on in. All right, so you walk in the front door and you walk right into one of the many living spaces. You've got updated hardwood floors, and I'm just gonna highlight something here. This staircase was not here before. There was actually a spiral staircase, and this was put in to create a lot more functionality to get from upstairs to downstairs safely, importantly, right? LVPs down the stairs. Look at the attention to detail. We've got like these refinished railings here. We've got the light down the stairs. So if you're walking upstairs from the downstairs to get, a late night snack, you can see where you're going without blasting the lights on. Little things like that, the attention to detail are what makes this house beautiful and really high end. I know we do a lot of obvious things like this is a kitchen and this is a living room, but this kitchen used to be a galley style. Seller opened this up to make it open concept. So you have a nice flow from the kitchen to the dining room, to the living room, to the downstairs. Nice and open, lots of good natural light. All the colors were brightened to ensure that even in the darkest days here in the Northwest, you've got great natural light coming in your house. One of the things that I wanted to highlight from a cosmetic perspective is that you've got quartz countertops, nice farm sink. Check out the hardware on this. This is wood. How cool is that? You got the black metal with the wood finishes. Again, I love this style. It's bright, it's cheery. It allows a lot of natural light in because the direction that we're looking is west. You get all the sunsets, so you're getting all that afternoon sunlight coming in here, reflecting off all the nice and bright appliances and also all of the finishes here in the kitchen. So one of the coolest parts about this house is it's split into 2 sections of living. So on this main floor, when you walk in the front door, you've got 2 bedrooms and 2 baths on this main floor. One of the cool features in this bathroom in particular is what's called a toe kick heater. Turn on your heater and your feet get nice and toasty. Oh yeah. Okay, so you've got your first bedroom here on the left, which is my right. Confused, think about that. Trippy. Step on into the primary suite. This is one of the highlights of the house, and for a number of reasons. So quite large, got plenty of space, enough for a full, this is a queen size bed, but you could easily do a king size bed, have an office space over here or a sitting area, and check out this bathroom. You've got radiant in-floor heating. You've got really high-end tile that was done. You've got the overhead shower, you've got the wand, you've got the extra shower. Talk about like a spa-like experience when you're taking a shower. I mean, honestly, if this was my shower, I wouldn't leave my house and my water bill would be really high. One of the coolest things that I will not demonstrate right now, but I will tell you about, is that when you turn on the faucet here and the overhead shower, when it's cold, it lights up LED blue. And when it's hot, it goes LED green. Just kidding, red. It's all these little details that is what makes this house luxurious, and you're in a great location. So remember how we were out on the deck? Or maybe in the future, depending on what Taylor does with this video, we will be on the deck. Check this out. In the summer, open this up, or in the winter, it's not that bad right now, but you get to walk out, French doors, onto your private deck, straight at the view. And we're looking in the right direction for sunsets. Did I mention sunsets? All right, come on down the stairs here. Like I mentioned before, there was a spiral staircase where that bathroom was before. The seller put this in, easy access to get down to the second living space. And Taylor, I just wanted to show one thing really quickly. I know I talked about this, but get a close up on this LED light that goes along the edge. Again, no detail spared on this house. So remember how I was talking about storage? This is the first storage space besides the garage that I want to show you. Fully epoxied floors, tons of space. If you have a tool shop, if you need extra space for Christmas lights or whatever it is, people have tons of stuff, right? This is where you put tons of your stuff. So you've got bedroom number 3 here. All of these I would say there's 2 bigger bedrooms and 2 smaller bedrooms, but even the smaller bedrooms are larger than most houses' bigger bedrooms. That's a tongue twister. So this room is our 4th bedroom, but could also be used as a media room or a playroom. There's just so much flex to all of these spaces where you can max it out, have someone in every room, or you can utilize one as an office, one as a media room, one as a guest room. I mean, there's just so much flexibility, which is what I love about this home. Some homes just don't have a lot of flexibility on what you can do with each room. Downstairs, 3/4 bath. So whoever's living down here, whoever's staying with you, maybe it's your secret getaway here to the 3rd bathroom space, but you've got a 3/4 bath in here. Really good sized bathroom if you want to come take a look at this. Again, higher end finishes, shower pan, no detail spared. Okay, so this space is really unique because a lot of people are looking for a multi-generational living or just like to have a second space to entertain, and this is set up for an in-law suite. So you've got all the hookups for all of the appliances needed. You've got it currently set up with a wet bar. You've got an extra washer and dryer set hookup over here. This space is set up to either have a 2nd or 3rd group living down here. Guests stay down here comfortably, potentially Airbnb, whatever it is that's on your mind. This is a space for entertaining. This house is for entertaining. Super cool space. You got extra storage space, or you could have man cave, she shed, office space, and quick access to outside. So this is a really cool space for anything. Let your imagination wander with this space. Okay, so we just stepped right off the main living space into the garage, and a couple things about this garage that's very unique. It's got epoxy floors, super easy to clean. It does look really clean. And also this has been insulated with R60. It's got the heat into the garage, so if you're out here working on whatever it is that you're obsessing over as a homeowner, you can be out here with some heat coming in here, insulate, nice space to work on, whatever it is that you need to work on. Okay, so we're off the back deck here, and there's 2 access points. You've got a staircase right down below and a staircase right off the primary suite. So come on, take a look. You've got the garage right here, nice natural light coming in. You've got right the sliding door to the kitchen. You can see that kitchen has views directly at where you want to be looking, which is downtown Bellingham, and we're going to take a look at the view. Our second access point here to the lower level, you've got 2 decks with fully updated waterproof membranes, so you don't have to worry about water dripping down. You don't have to get water on your head when you're down below. And it's a quick pressure wash to clean these decks, super easy maintenance. The star of the show, take a look. We're looking at downtown Bellingham, directly west. You can see Seaholm Hill over there, San Juan Islands, downtown Bellingham, the bay. You got the Lummi Island over there. This is a beautiful place to enjoy some sunsets. And according to the owner, he's taken over 200 pictures of sunsets while he's been working on this property. We are in a huge backyard. Look how big this is. Fully enclosed here in the back. You've got a shed, storage shed, nice and private, right? You've got privacy down below, privacy to the south. So we've talked a lot about some of the cosmetic stuff on the exterior. We're gonna get into the cosmetics on the interior, but there's a lot of attention to detail when it comes to things like retaining wall and fully dug out to reinforce the ground around the house to make sure that A, you have an ingress egress window, but fully reinforced by a concrete wall.